This unique core exercise helps protect your back by stabilizing your spine, taking pressure off your discs, and improving strength and function of your core. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott. We've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniation, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to reduce your back pain with the right core exercises. Now, the first and most important thing I want you to know is that your back doesn't hurt because your core is weak. That is a myth that has been perpetuated for a long time. Weak core does not equal back pain, and strengthening your core does not mean you're going to fix your back pain. This is not true. There's no clear evidence to support this. And one of the biggest reasons people think that's the case is because if you take someone who is not exercising at all, who is weak, who is deconditioned, and they do some exercise, get stronger really anywhere, they're going to feel better. They're going to feel stronger. They're going to feel more confident. Their pain is going to reduce. So if you take someone and you give them hip flexor exercises, they're going to say, oh, the reason why I reduced my pain is because my hip flexors were weak. If you give that same person core exercises and they just get stronger and start moving and build confidence, they're going to feel better. And then they're going to say it was the core exercises that did it, so on and so forth. This is why the core has developed this connection with the lower back, when in reality, it's just someone getting stronger to some capacity. But if a strong core meant back pain would not exist, then we would never get clients who are elite level weightlifters, CrossFit athletes, strongmen, powerlifters. And you mean to tell me someone who's squatting and deadlifting 500 pounds doesn't have a strong core? Yeah, okay. So it's obvious that a weak core does not cause back pain and a strong core does not prevent back pain. But there is a relationship, and that is the function of your core. And the function of your core means many different things. It means how you control your core. It means your breathing. Do you know how to properly belly breathe and use your diaphragm? When you're lifting, do you know how to create intra-abdominal pressure in your abdomen to properly stabilize your spine? These things are important. And the exercise that we're going to go over now helps improve some of these things, as well as improves anti-rotation stability of your spine, which not a lot of people get through traditional core exercises. So for this exercise, all you need is a band or cable. You're going to wrap it around a support. You're going to hold it around chest height, walk sideways away from the support as to increase the resistance on the band or cable. Get in a small squat and now press the band or cable straight forward. This is called a Pallof press, and it's a great core exercise for multiple reasons. As I stated earlier, it's an anti-rotation exercise, which means when you push that band or cable away, that resistance is trying to pull your body towards the support, but your core is resisting it. Also, a majority of core exercises that you guys might be doing involve getting on the ground and bending or twisting or putting your spine in positions that might flare your pain and make it worse. But this one is standing. So you can keep a nice neutral spine and not put your back in a compromised position. An additional reason this is so great is because many disc issues are flared up with rotation, when they're in a symptomatic state at least. So not many rehab plans include anti-rotation exercises, which is building up the strength and resistance to resist rotation. So by developing these muscles, you're really helping to take pressure off of your discs and to build a robust support system around them and your lower spine. Now, to advance this, the further you walk away from the support or the more weight you put on the cable, the harder it is. But there's also something that you can change with your feet to increase the intensity and stability, which is to march while you're holding the resistance. Each time you march, it's shifting the weight to one single foot, which of course requires all of your stability to change and how you use your hips and how that's articulating with your core and your trunk. I love using this to stimulate your feet, stabilize your knees, stabilize your hips, and once again, all the different stimulation it provides throughout your core and spine. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now, for whatever reason, you might not have access to a gym or you might not have a band, and that's okay. There's still a way to get this same stimulus without it. Additional ways we can mimic anti-rotation exercises at home is one, you can just lean on your desk, table, or the back of a couch like you're performing a plank, just in a 45-degree angle, if you will, and now remove one of your arms. This is now requiring your body to once again resist rotating because the arm that was removed, that shoulder wants to fall down towards the floor, but you are resisting it. You are resisting your body's rotation. This is a way that you can still stimulate your core without the equipment. And you can get this done throughout the day while you're at work taking breaks to do so. This is a way you can still get that stimulus. And if this is too easy, then you can perform it on the floor. So just to give you an additional variation, you can get in a traditional plank position, but get on your knees because I imagine most of you, it's probably difficult to perform certain exercises because of your pain. So let's perform a plank on our knees, and then you can lift one knee off of the ground at a time, alternating each side. This is now still an anti-rotation movement, but the base of support is now in the lower extremity, not the upper extremity. And it's requiring your core, your low back, and even your hip flexors to stabilize you in this position. So these core exercises typically are safer for your lower back and deliver better results. But still, you can get stronger around the injury and you will likely feel better doing these. But that does not mean you are fixing the actual problem. Strengthening your core is not restoring the motion in your spine. Strengthening your core is not reversing a disc herniation. Stabilizing your core is not freeing up a nerve. It is strengthening around that dysfunction and making you feel better, but it is not removing the actual problem. So if you want to learn how to identify what the actual problem is and target that and not just get strong around it, then I have something for you. And this has helped some of our clients see as much as 37% improvement in a single session, and others complete pain relief within as little as 15 days. And this one thing is my centralization process, which helps you identify exactly what's causing your pain and the specific exercises you need to do to fix your pain as quickly as possible. So if you'd like to dive deeper with me and actually get a structured plan to healing, just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following my centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss the opportunity to finally live your life pain-free, because you deserve it and your family deserves it too. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and what I'm doing to keep a bulletproof low back. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.